Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the ICAI's Board of Studies Success at CA Exam Series 2, which is organizing by the Board of Studies for Foundation Level September 24 examination. Today's section is related to Paper-3 Quantitative Aptitude. Myself, Dr. Ravi, I am faculty, Board of Studies. Now, we are going to talk about the various topics in the quantitative aptitude, then how it can be understand the concept and used in the examination point of view, and that can be helpful for you also. Now let us come to the topics which is in the foundation level. You know very well the foundation course is a 100 marks paper 3 quantitative aptitude, and which is divided into 100 questions. You have to complete the task within the 2 hours also. That is the task you have to complete. And in series 2, in this basically we have to I will go through with basic ideas of the concepts and how it can be answered quickly also be according to the examination point of view. You know very well you are handle the paper you have near to the examination also. This paper is having the 18 chapters of this business mathematics is of 8 chapters, logical reasoning of 4 chapters, statistics is remaining 6 chapters. If weightage is concerned, 40 marks in business mathematics, 20 marks in logical reasoning, and 40 marks in statistics. You know all this category of this. Now coming to the topic wise, the ratio, you know very well, the ratio proportions, indices and logarithms is covering of first chapters. Maximum possibilities are 4 to 5 questions or 6 questions may be possible to come in the examination. What kind of things maybe models may be come in the examination point of view also, that we will look at if time permits all. Let's see, you know very well the ratio, what is proportion, and all these things. Coming to the ratio means it's if A and B are two non-zero numbers of same kind, comparison of two numbers actually, like A by B is called the ratio, or like A is to B. The first number is called A is called antecedent, and the second number is called consequent. Suppose 4 and 6 are numbers, we can divide into 4 twos are, and 4 and 6 are two numbers. Then we can make into short form like 2:3. This is called 4. This 2 is called antecedent. 3 is called consequent. Suppose the square roots numbers are also be expressed like root 5 is to root 6. This can be also be expressed like that actually. And 150 grams is to 2 kgs. This can also be like that. It is in the grams, it is in the kgs. 150 is to 2000. That is both are expressed in the same same like values, like in terms of grams only. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams, like 2000 grams. It has been divided like that. 0 get cancelled here, and it is 5 threes and 5 40s, and it can be make it as a short form like a 3:40. Like that, the ratios can be make into in a shorter format also. Now, like that, the 25 and the minutes and the seconds all should be expressed in the um, same manner actually. Like that, only suppose it cannot be into different forms actually, same kind. That is the purpose of using the ratio. Now, next coming to the next one. Inverse ratio. It's also part of the ratios chapter. Actually, just if A and B are two ratio, B is to ratio, B is to A is called the inverse ratio. Example is suppose 11 is to 15 is the ratio, that inverse ratio is 15 is to 11. Then duplicate ratio. What is duplicate ratio means? Suppose A is to B is the ratio, then duplicate ratio means the square of that numbers. 2 is to 3 is the example is given, then 2 square is to 3 square, that is 4 is to 9. Subduplicate ratio means it's square root of A is to B, square root of A is to square root of B. The same thing is the subduplicate ratio if it is expressed in the square root. And cubic ratio means that is a triplicate ratio, and subtriplicate ratio means cube root of that actually. This is the differences of this, and if you look at the examples are also given here, and even in the study material same thing has been taken also. And the compound ratio means suppose two ratios are compared actually, A is to B and C is to D, and product of antecedents equal to product of consequence. This is called the compounded ratio. This we have been seen in the study material also. We have seen in the these are all. If we next coming to the proportion topics also there. Proportion means it's a comparison of two ratios are also be there. That is product of extremes equal to product of middle. This is the property which are used also. Then equality of two ratio is called the proportion. ABCD are four numbers, which is also be written as A is to B is as equal to C is to D. That can be expressed in the four numbers. That is product of the antecedent the product of the first and fourth number, and VQ is equal to product of extremes equal to product of means. That is the proportions has been expressed here. Product of extremes equal to product of middle means middle ones actually. Next, continued proportions. What is continued? The ABC are continued proportion, B square equal to AC, and um, these are the main properties related to the proportions and indices. Now, if I take the definitions actually, and what is mean proportions are also, which is given in the study material, continuous A and B are B is the ABC are in continuous proportion. B is the middle term or mean proportion between A and C. B square equal to AC. And what is inverse proportion and invertendo, alternando proportion, componendo proportion. Like that, if you look at the various properties of the here in the study material, which are all useful, like a componendo and a dividendo property, addendo properties. Suppose A is to B is as equal to C is to D, then we can write like that by adding this B both sides, of called a plus b is to a minus b is as to c plus d is to c minus d. It's called the compound window and the dividend property. And product of middle term equal to product of first and last terms if A are the continuous proportions are like. Next one is topic is you must be aware of that. Next one, a very important topic is the indices. Indices, if you look at the power chapter, there's a real number. N belongs to N, natural numbers, set of positive numbers, and A belongs to R. Real numbers are also expressed. And suppose we want to express in the various factors, A cross A into N factors, this can be expressed A to the power of N. Here, various formulas are also be given, like this A power M into A power N, A power M plus N. Next, if we look at next formula, A power M by A power N, A power M minus N. Next one is A power M by A power N minus N can be A power M plus N. A to the power of 0 equal to 1, and A to the power of M into whole to the power of N equal to A to the power of M, A power to the power of Mn, and A to the power of M whole to the power of 1 by N, A to the power of M by N, and nth root of A power M equal to A to the power of M by N, AB whole to the power of M equal to A power M into B power M, A by B whole power M equal to A power M by B power M. These are the important formulas which is used in the like indices chapter also. Next, coming to the next topic is logarithms. Logarithmic is also very important chapter. Logarithms, when you look at the logarithm, actually, what is natural logarithm? How it can be expressed? Common logarithm, how it can be expressed? And what is the difference? Natural logarithm equal to 2.783 e value, which is also rememberable. And a logarithm, it is used here is a base 10 only, which is given in the study material also. And suppose the various formula log power A equal to A power A base A, this is called the base, and log A base A equal to 1, and log 1 base A equal to 0, log A base B equal to, reversely we can write as like 1 by B into B base A. Conversely, we can write, if you multiply these two, log A base B into log B base A equal to 1. And this is the important formulas, which is with the help of this, we can use the like multiplication, addition, and all these properties in the, please look at these are how used in this, and the examples are also. Now coming to the next chapter is called quadratic expression, which is also very useful in the study material also. Now equation, coming to the equation chapter. एक minute. Now coming to the chapter, the equation chapter. Here, most in the examination point of view, the quadratic equation is expressed in the ax plus b equal to 0. Like that, single degree, first degree polynomial equation. Here, second degree polynomial equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then x equal to minus b plus r minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. If it is the second degree, we can get the two roots of the equations. And sum of the roots equal to minus b plus r minus sum of the roots is minus b by a, and the product of the roots equal to c by a. And formatting of the, suppose forming the equation, suppose if you want to form the equation, so when we know the sum of the roots and when of the product of the roots, these can be expressed as x square minus x into sum of the roots plus products of the roots. And next one is the, when we know the discriminants and the roots m plus root n, and the other roots would be m minus roots n, and the reciprocal of the roots, then if one root is reciprocal to the other root, then c equal to a. If one root equal to a, the root is c by a. Nature of the roots, we have to find what is the nature of the root. Suppose based on the d, we called as a, this is called a minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. We can identify this is called d based on the d, this discriminant. We can find the whether the roots are real, rational, equal, or like a imaginary. We can find out. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, real, rational, and equal. B square minus 4ac greater than 0, perfect square, or real, rational, and unequal also b. Is not a perfect square. And when it is less than 0, then imaginary roots. These are the characteristics of the roots, and we can, when we define the roots actually. And you know very well actually, when the, for example, alpha beta and alpha plus beta and alpha square plus alpha cubed alpha square alpha beta are symmetric functions of alpha beta, then such situations we use these roots are also how we can express also the, and for the mathematical easy calculation purpose we are using that. Suppose we want to find the alpha minus beta only actually difference, by using this formula also you can find out alpha minus alpha square minus beta square. When we want to identify, means square root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta into alpha plus beta, and alpha square plus beta square. If you want to know, this is the various equations you can find out also be. These are the examples that we have seen actually. And suppose just I want to say something. Suppose x square minus 8x minus 8x plus 12, and this is the roots of the equation is alpha and beta are roots of the equation. X square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. Then find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. This is the question. Recently these kind of models are also asked, come in the examination. X square minus 8x, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0, then 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, what is the value? That we have to find out. Okay, just see, this is the x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a value is 1 and b value is minus 8 and the c value is 12. And based on the earlier questions, sum of the roots equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a means minus 12 by 1. This is minus 12. Okay. Okay, sorry. Sum of the roots minus b by a. Sorry, this minus B by A. Minus B by A, minus of minus 8. A is 1. This is 8. And product of the roots is C by A. That is 12 by 1. That is 12. Now the question is like that, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta equal to what? This can be expressed as alpha beta and alpha plus beta. And you know very well, this sum of the roots is 8. 8 by 4 2s, 4 3s, which is equal to 2 by 3. Yes, Rashmi madam? Hello. Rashmi madam? Okay. You know, just I am giving the example how to find this x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. If the equation is like that, x square minus 8x plus 12, you have to find this 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta value based on the roots of the equations. That is our aim. And you see this a value is 1 and my b value is minus 8 and 12. Sum of the roots is minus a b by a. This is minus of minus 8 by 1. This is 8. And the product of the roots is c by a. That is 12 by 1. And this is, we have to find out alpha plus beta by alpha plus beta. Alpha beta. The sum of the roots is 8 and the product of the roots is 12. So 2 by 3 is the answer. Hope the students, you can understand these kind of examples. And first you have to identify the question. What is the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. From using that and various formulas we can find. If you look at the slides, these formulas, and you can easily solve this. Next. Sorry. Next one is cubic equations are also given. This cubic equation, yes? Somebody?
Yes, sir.
Who is asking? Yes, yes, please. Please raise your question, please. Rajnidhi? Okay. Now, the cubic equations are also be that given. For that cases are also be, you can solve by substituting the first one and by like trial and error method and using these same methods, and you can get the answers also. Now I'm coming to the such kind of examples are already given in the, if you look at the study material also be, or like recently that we have hosted in the equation related topic the study in the like quick reference also be how such kind of problems can be solved. Now my question is, yes, tell me please.
Is there any short formula like Sridhar Achar formula to find roots of cubic equation?
Yes, it's there.
Please suggest me that. I face so many problems while solving option approach to solve the roots of cubic equation, Every time I get wrong option.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I just we are into that. Okay. Your good name?
Sir, Bhumika.
Bhumika. Where are you from, Bhumika?
I'm from Karnataka, sir.
Bhumika. Earlier we talked also. We spoke. Bhumika. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Just give me few minutes and I will just seeing this kind of things actually. Just yes. Yes, I'm coming to that point. Please look at this slide and I will come back quickly. Okay. How we can identify such kind of questions are also be. Suppose last year also one question has come. Actually, just I will explain that kind of questions also. Bhumika,
Yes, sir.
are you there?
Yes.
If you look at x cubed minus 3x square minus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. Okay. To this. Suppose the question is x cubed minus 3x square minus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. We want to identify the roots of the equation. So this is the question actually. Please listen carefully actually. Alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Suppose this coefficients is like that, they are using the like that. Okay. Some of the roots should be equal to 0. That is the question actually. And using that this x cube and the options are also be given actually. If you look at in the question, the options are what happened? Somebody's option A minus 2, 2, 3. Option B minus 2, 3. Option C 2, -2, -3. Option D -2, 2, -3. This is the option. Please just look at the question. I read once again. The question is how it. The roots of the equation x cubed minus 3x square minus 4x plus 12 equals 0 has three real roots. They are -2, 2, 3, and or like the options are given. Such options are given like -2, 2, 3, and -2, 2, 3. In such case, how you will be opt for such question actually? How you will be able to answer actually? That is the query. And if generally students are face issues like that, such kind of problems are comes actually. That is my question actually. Okay. Yes. My question is actually, in such cases, actually, some of the roots we have to test is this actually. S1 equal to, what is this? Minus of B by A. Minus of -3 by this one. This is 3. S2 case is equal to D by A minus D by A. This is alpha plus beta plus tau. That is C by A. That is minus 4 by 1 minus 4, and S3 equal to D minus D. All these actually, if you look at the sum of the roots, the option, if you minus 2 plus 2 plus 3, A option minus 2 plus 2, which is equal to this condition is minus of minus B by A satisfies. So we can easily say that the first option is okay for this question actually. This is the easy way to remember. Here I can express that this is the easiest way to answer. The sum of the roots equal to this minus B by A, who should be, that is minus of minus B by, that is equal to minus of minus 3 by 1, that is equal to 1. Minus 3 equal to, so it first equation satisfies, so you can easily answer for this kind of questions. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Bhumika, you can understand right now.
Yes, sir. Yes, I got it.
Okay. Next one is actually the students are facing the problem related to the sets relations only. Sets relations functions are also, and the number of elements in sets 2 power subsets, how many it should be, and the number of proper subsets, how many it can be, 2 power n minus 1. Non-trivial sets, which every element has a subset is itself, and empty set is also subset actually. So 2 power n minus 2. And equal sets, equivalent sets, De Morgan sets, A union B whole power interaction, A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash, A in intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. These are the De Morgan properties are also, and we can easily understand also. Now coming to the next one is Sarans. Just then next important most weightage topic is also, that is related to the time value of money. Time value of money here is the mathematics of finance actually. It has good hello. Hello. Yes, students. Now I'm coming to the already the mathematics topic. मैंने कर दिया. Yes, mathematics topic in that the first chapter, ratio, proportions, indices, and logarithms, and second chapter is equations, quadratic equations and cubic equations. Third chapter is the inequalities. that is linear inequalities, how best it can be expressed also be in terms of equations. We can express the greater than or less than, or greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, based on the conditions of the applicable. Next one is a very important weightage topic also, which is called actually time value of money, or like business mathematics, in that it covers like 12 to 14 or 15 questions will be coming in the every examinations. Weightage, significant weightage also given for that topic also. So that using that, this Saransh has given good number of questions actually. Saransh are like a quick reference. In the quick reference, if you use this quick reference, which is available in the our study material also, our BoS knowledge portal also, wherever you find the difficulties in the topic or questions in the MCQs are also, which are all covered there actually. Please look at actually these like simple interest problem, compound interest problem, effective rate of interest problems, and further how these annuity applications, cash flow models, all annuity regular and future value, and all these aspects are also covered there actually. Sinking fund. If you look at the study material, some topics are not able to answer that explained also solutions for this topic related to time value of money. That's why I request the students, the quick reference definitely helpful to you. You can able to answer for that actually. That's why I am showing here. That will definitely helpful to you. Here the short tricks and like how it can be answered also, and all these methods are given also. Now coming to the next chapter called like after that, the important topic is like permutations and combinations. The permutation combinations are also be like 6 questions will 6 from the sometimes 5 questions or like 6 questions are also possible to come actually, depending upon the weightage, which are, if it is given more questions for the like mathematics of finance, in that case it will be reduced 1 or 2 questions for this topic. That's why you concentrate on the each and every examples given in the study material also. That would be definitely helpful for you also. Now you know the process of NPR, that is they call the permutations, and circular permutations, n minus 1 factorial, and suppose arranging of necklace, or like how it can be arranged in a different colors actually, 1 by 2 minus n minus 1 factorial, like permutations, n factorial by p factorial into q factorial into r factorial, like that. Next combination, NCR equal to NPR by r factorial, NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, NCR equal to n factorial by NCR equal to NC n minus r. Like that, you have to remember these all formulas. NC0 plus NC1 equal to NC2 plus NCn equal to 2 power n. N plus 1 CR equal to n plus NCR plus NCR minus 1. Like that, all formulas related to the permutation combinations you have to remember, and the questions may be coming like 3 questions from permutation, 3 questions from combinations may be also coming. Next, sequence and series. Sequence and series also very important. Recently, if you look at the students journal also, we have given clearly about the important aspects of the sequence and series. In the quick reference also it has been covered. So it will be definitely helpful and you understand the topics in a easy manner also. And the arithmetic progression and geometric progression differences also very well. In the last few sessions are also we have explained what is the difference, and their sum of the series, their product of the series, sum of the series, and nth term of the series, and mean term. All these things already we have explained there actually. Coming to the geometric series are also be the nth term of the series, the ratio of two numbers, successive numbers are equal. Like that. And geometric progression, that too if two numbers are known, GM equal to square root of AB. Next, calculus topic also be very, very important here. Limits, what is limits, and continuity functions, differentiation, and rate slope of integration. And all these aspects are, yes, all these aspects are discussed here in the study material, application aspects only, which are basically related to the how it is used in the simple basic non-trigonometric non-scientific application, non-trigonometric applications only. Mr. Dikshit, you are saying, want to say something, or please tell me.
My question is related to examination, where I can use where I can use black pen or HB pencil to tick the correct answer.
Okay, these are all related to examination guidelines, my dear friend. Another Sandeep Kumar. Who is Sandeep? Tell me. You wish to say something, Sandeep? Okay, I can answer Mr. Dikshit's answer. Yes, Sandeep Kaur. Kaun is Sandeep Kaur? I remember. Okay. If you look at the OMR sheet, clearly mentioned that wherever you have to answers are clearly darkened with HB pencil only. Wherever necessary, use the black pen. That is the guidelines clearly given, and it takes only maximum 2 minutes or 3 minutes in the examination, or before going examination, you can search and you can see the, yes. This is the basic guidelines which is available in the even in the examination department also. Yes. Yes. Now, is it some student is asking who is Prerna Kandapal? Sir, is calculus is necessary to prepare for examination? Yes, calculus, as per the weightage is concerned, the total 4 or 5 questions are coming, including in limits and continuity applications are also. Yes. Yes. Next one is logical reasoning. Here, 4 chapters are there. One is the number series, odd man out, coding and decoding topic. Next one is for the direction test, next seating arrangements and blood relations. Weightage for all the topics are all 5 marks, and you have to concentrate on all the topics equally, and then the topics are also very easy and simple also be for these topics are concerned actually. Yes, Harini Kaur, who is main, who is Harini Kaur? Hello. Are you student or member? Yes. Next one is very important chapter is
So,
yes.
so can you please help me while solving the questions of sitting arrangements in the MTP series 2? The maximum questions were asked on sitting arrangements only. I have failed in every question.
Okay. Who is asking? You are Harini asking or somebody? I did not.
No, sir. I am Bhumika.
Bhumika. Bhumika, I will see those questions actually. I will. You mail. Just please note down my mail ID nvravi@ica.in. Okay.
Can you please provide me any suggestions while solving all sitting arrangement questions?
No. Actually, what I can do actually, I don't have all the questions right now here. What I do, you can send me mail. I will just provide the answer also.
Yes, sir. Last time I wanted to contact with you, but I couldn't reach you.
Okay. I have already given my contact, my landline number also, or you can send me my mail. Okay, you can reach me. I already given. I can quickly reply to the answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Can you please give me your email ID?
nvravi@ica.in. Or I can WhatsApp with the answer also. We can case whatever the possible quickly. I can do it on that part.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I'm coming to the topic like next statistics part. Actually, I'm coming to the statistics part. 40 questions are there. You have already known about the weightage and concepts of concern. 8 chapters. That is like 8 chapters are. Sorry, 8 chapters I had wrongly told. Actually, it is a 6 chapters only. On 6 chapters are concerned, actually 40 marks are coming. That is already weightage also given. If you look at the weightage wise also be given in the first the data related to the and measures of central tendency and dispersion. This is a very important topic, and major questions are coming in the for this area only actually. Next one is a correlation regression, and very easy. Index numbers are also very easy. You can get good marks by preparing all these topics are also good. Who is disturbing? I don't know. If you want to talk anything, please tell me loudly. Don't disturb here. Who is Harini Kaur? These are not a good manners. Somebody disturbs in the in between. Yes. Correlation, regression, and Rashmi madam, Rashmi Lonikar. Rashmi Lonikar madam. Yes. My concentration is disturbing here. If somebody wish to say something, please loudly say. There is no problem with this. This topic is actually, Mr.
I doubt.
Sanket, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Sir, sir, I doubt in logarithm.
Who is asking?
So Sahil.
Who is, may I know, are you student or a member? I don't know.
So student.
Your name is Sanket Shah is coming.
साहिल सर Redmi 9 लिखा होगा सर उसमें.
I say Redmi 9 कैसे हो जाता है? Actually, you should be mention your name. I will not answer here for like that.
Okay sir, I'm doing it.
Yes. I want give for 5 minutes break for here session. Then I will join back. Hello? Break. Now I'm coming to the point actually what I want to convey through these sections actually. Some of them are joined in between and they want to disturb the sessions are also. And some of them really want to learn actually and they want to gain. Our intention behind these sections are to help the students only. If anybody have any doubts related to these sections are also be, my personal request to all the students are also be those who are joined, those who are really serious and they want to attempt this examination, September 24 examination seriously. They want to pass the examination. Please listen what I want to advise also be, which points I want to raise. Here the intention behind the sessions are also I don't want to, it's difficult to cover entire sessions are also be, entire syllabus are also here. If you have any doubt here also, I already told several in the last few sessions are also be, already given my mail ID also be. You can drop to my institute's mail ID that is nvravi@ica.in. You can send me. I will respond. Even if I have call you back also be, if you mention the mobile number also be, I will WhatsApp the solution also and send back to you also be. This is my humble request and don't disturb the anybody's class also. If you want to be seriously on the topic also be, and definitely this would be helpful to you also be. Intention behind this organizing these kind of sections are also be, that is we have to make confident and you will be thoroughly write the examinations are also be. Coming to the point related to the quantitative aptitude, this 100% application based papers are also. Entire paper is multiple choice question also. All questions carry 1 mark. Each question should have 4 choices. Negative marks is also be there. Already know this. Business mathematics 40 marks, logical reasoning 20 marks, statistics 40 marks. Okay. And next one is mathematics are concerned 8 chapters, logical reasoning concerned 4 chapters, and statistics are concerned 6 chapters. The weightage are also begin, and again and request to the students read carefully all examples, all own material you have to prepare that like that. Each chapter having the at the last end that summary of the topic also be given. From that you have to note down the important things that will be definitely helpful to you. And use of this ICAI material also carefully. And if you have any doubt also be, please call us and send mail also be, you will be get thoroughly and you will be get confidence on the examination also be. You know all very well actually the weightage has given very much actually mathematics of finance and what kind of questions are also be asked in the examinations. Again and again telling that the mathematics of finance topic which is given using simple quick are also be given actually. If you look at it in the BoS Board of Studies ICAI's knowledge portal, there we have mentioned that about the quick reference also being this related to the subject. Each subject has given actually. Especially we have put good efforts on this topic to understand very well. That's why I'm mentioning the very clearly about the mathematics of finance topic, because it has the significance weightage actually, that is 14 marks are there. So you should be carefully think about that. Ratio and proportions, indices and logarithms also be there. That is also be all we have covered also be. This arithmetic progression, geometric progressions I have not covered recently, but these are also be taken care. And if you look at the study materials examples are also 4 questions. Equations quadratic equations, cubic equations, and what kind of questions are coming and what type, how you can answer that maximum 5 questions. And linear inequalities are also be that 1 or 2 questions, maximum 1 question or 2 questions. And sets, relations, basics of limits and continuity, all functions. If you look at this is around 5 to 6 questions, and linear inequality 1 question. Permutation combinations 4 questions. Application of differential integral calculus 3 questions, and the sets, relations, functions. This would be 4 questions. Next, number series, coding, decoding, odd man out, direction test, seating arrangements 5 questions, blood relations 5 questions. Statistical description of data, sampling and measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion 20 marks, correlation regression 5 marks, index numbers 5 marks, and probability 5 marks, theoretical distributions 5 marks, and finally index numbers are also be very important actually. And finally, your aim is to you have to crack the quantitative aptitude paper actually, and break down the sections into small, meaningful, and diagrams, tables, and organize in the information and simplicity. Simplify the calculations. Then you can understand the topic wise. You have to prepare various segments and topics. I have already suggested that in the each topics at the last the summary has given. You prepare accordingly. The summary you make it in one notes like or like your own and formula sheets you have to prepare, and before examination also be that practice well all these things. That will be definitely helpful to you. Now I am coming to the students. Just what is their doubt? Please just now anybody wish to ask question, please clear. What is the students? Preeti Sharma. Mr. Shahil, please tell me.
Sir, I doubt in logarithm.
Your doubt is in logarithm. What is exactly doubt in logarithm? You want to...
In mostly complicated questions were asked in exam, जैसे x raised to a minus b type questions. I doubt in this way.
Okay, fine. Okay, understood.
So how?
Okay, understood. And Mr. Sahil, are you basically mathematics background student or what is your background? Please let me know. Hello.
So I'm from mathematics background.
Okay. Here, why again mathematics background? Then again you are saying.
Sir, but a little bit I भूल चुका हूँ थोड़ा concept, थोड़ा मैं उस complicate करने, क्योंकि सर हम 2 घंटे हमारे एग्जाम के पास, उसमें हमें 1-1 मिनट हर क्वेश्चन को देना है, तो इतना लंबा क्वेश्चन हम सोल्व नहीं कर सकते इतनी जल्दी, तो मैं अगर ज्यादा क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट
मैं सुन लिया आपके बात बेटा, मैं कोशिश कर दूंगा आपको एक छोटा एक कोई भी एग्जांपल लेकर आपको कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं इसे, ठीक है बेटा?
ओके सर.
ओके मिस्टर शाहिद.
Yes sir.
Just I understood your problem. Yes, I will try to solve. Suppose log b base a equal to c. Yes. Anybody? Aman? Aman, you wish to say something? It does not good. Somebody disturbs me in that. Okay, just I will note down if log b base a equal to 3, log C base B equal to 2, then log C base A equal to how much? If anybody wish to answer this question, if anybody understands or not this question, tell me. See, here this is A base A, this is base is A, this is base is B here. If you look at this log B base A into log C base B, here this base is coming here actually, and this would be this base would be cancelled, and if we multiply these two, which is equal to log C base A. So log B base A into log C base B. See, look at this B would be cancelled. Finally, it is in the form of log C base A. The intention behind this is 3 into 2 equal to 6. These are the kind of questions which is coming in the examination also. If you see the questions, various type of such kind of questions are also be, and the models are also be. The models are also be given, and such kind of questions you can be answered like that way only. Yes, Mr. Sahil?
Yes, sir, I am clear.
Are you clear about this kind of question?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Next one is actually, yeah. Next, anybody wish to say? Preeti?
So,
Prerna Kandapal.
yes, sir. Actually, I want to ask that I didn't study the chapter that permutations and combination. So, is there any basic formula to solve that equations of permutations and combinations?
Permutation, combination, why you are not studied?
Sir, actually, I didn't study the maths for 2 years. I don't belong to the maths. I take the commerce with physical. So I don't have any basic formulas of maths. So I didn't understand the chapter permutation and combination. That's why I want to ask that, is there any basic formula to solve that equations?
Okay, just thank you. You are a background of commerce only.
Yes, sir.
Simple question. I would be asked a fundamental questions are also there. Where are you belongs to? So okay, I don't want to go to history. From Delhi to Agra and Agra to Gwalior. Somebody wants to travel actually. From Delhi to Agra, 3 routes are there. Okay. From Agra to Gwalior, again 3 routes are there. Just I don't know how many routes. Just I'm saying you for a just understand a simple logic only. How many ways you can travel by from Delhi to Gwalior via Agra? This is called fundamental principle actually. 3 into 3, how many ways?
So there
9.
are 6 ways.
Where beta?
Sorry, 9 ways.
9 ways. 3 into 3, 9. You should quickly answer this question. Okay. Like that, if you want to understand the fundamental principle, this is called the fundamental principles actually. Basic, simple permutations and combinations are, if you study, I am not asking for any, still time is there. Please look at carefully the study material. What is the difference between the permutation and combination also? When we want to put the specific combinations, A, B, B, A, B and A, so specific combination only. that case permutation would be used. And for arrangement of factors, that is the permutations are used actually. There is no specific AB hona, BA hona, that is, there is no problem there actually. That is these kind of differences. And suppose you have 4 friends are there. 4 friends are there. You are inviting for fact something like a party. You want to give the shake hands for each other. How many ways it can be possible? 2 power n minus 1. You can't give the shake hand to yourself also. That means such cases actually, such kind of questions are like 2 power n minus 1. Suppose 2 power 4 or like 2 minus 1, that is 16. 16 minus 1, 15 ways you can like that. Please try to understand the logic first, and you will enjoy the question also, like a permutation and combination related question. Anything better, Prerna, further you want to say?
No, sir. Actually, I will go through the chapter once.
Please carefully they go through and try to understand lovely. First you are trying to learn new concepts that make you happy also. That is the intention. Then only you can first lovely. You should make it love to understand actually the concept.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Vidhi, you want to say something?
Sir, can you explain the chapter theoretical distribution by summary?
Summary chahiye, you want to?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The main formulas, important formulas.
Sure. I am coming to that. Next one is Sahil. Again, you are saying something better.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
I dumped in theory questions. Sir, हमें सब theory questions तो समझ में नहीं आता, तो थोड़े confuse लगते हैं. तो इतने सारे तो उसमें तो मैं डाउट है सर, थोड़े theory के questions.
मैं आपको वो वैसे डाउट्स में मैं आपको कितना में मैं कोशिश कर दूंगा इस सेशन में कितना हो सकता है. ठीक है बेटा, मैं कोशिश करूंगा उसमें क्या डाउट्स हो सकते, कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम हो जाते, उसमें मैं आई विल ट्राई माय लेवल बेस्ट. ओके. Yes, anybody? More? Yes, now I'm coming to the aspects of like theoretical distributions बोल रहा है ना, something. You know very well Mr. Chidanand Prashant Panishetty.
So it's Bhumika.
चिदानंद तुम?
नहीं सर, मैं दूसरे फोन से ज्वाइन हुई हूँ. मेरा डाउट ये था कि I face problem in solving probability using De Morgan's formula.
De Morgan's formula. What? Simple. A union B whole dash equal to A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. What do you get?
Sir?
Yes. De Morgan's formula basic two things only there. Why you feel difficult on that?
I cannot understand that signs sometimes used, sometimes inverse. I face so much confusion in that topic. Can you please explain it?
No, just I will definitely. I am with that mind. It is nothing but actually. So coming to the point actually. What is this A dash or A complement?
A complement. This set contains those elements which are not in set A.
Same thing actually. If suppose A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. This is one law. Vice versa reverse. A union this is A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. These are the two. One is this one, another one is these two. This is the basic things which are used in the De Morgan's properties here in the as far as this foundation syllabus is concerned, and you look at the whatever the points which are given in the or the sets like related to that, then using that you can find out the values. Anything you want to say?
No,
Chandrika?
sir. Thank you. And can you please explain an example of function which is complement function ऊपर के उसके ऊपर डैश होता है ना, वो
हाँ।
सॉल्व नहीं करना पड़ती.
आते नहीं फंक्शन को अभी.
ठीक है सर. थैंक यू.
Okay, now I'm coming to the functions actually, which is if you look at the what kind of functions, one function, onto function, into function, bijection, actually all kind of things are also what are not functions are also be given in the study material also be. If you look at the actually study material also be that while seeing the diagrams are also be that you can easily understand what is the function or what is the not function also be that while seeing the mappings also. Now, yes.
So could you please represent the screen which you were representing of duplicate ratio and other ratio inverse presentation? Actually, I couldn't note it down properly.
No, it's just see. I am just making this a very short term lecture only. This for making you people like confidence and the examination motivation section only. Just all these things I have bring from the study material only. Nothing I had made any kind of things actually.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Please look at there only. Nothing but it's what is ratio. You have already seen that a duplicate ratio, duplicate ratio. All these things are available in the study material itself. Actually, please look at there. Actually,
Okay,
now
sir, thank you.
I have to look at actually some actually some overall aspects are also be, and I make you like that comfortable and confidence in the examination for attempting this September examinations. That is my intention, and the institute also be doing on these aspects only that on behalf of ICAI we are doing this. Okay. Yes, you are Rajanandini. You asked this query.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Next, somebody has asked about the distributions, sir. Actually, now the distributions is concerns actually. Just I'm coming to that. You know very well here the study material actually in the probability distributions, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, and normal distribution. Also three distribution. These first distributions, three distributions are called. This is a discrete distributions. This is a discrete. This is here. This one is continuous discrete. This is these two are discrete. This one is called continuous. Here, as far as syllabus is concerned, here only normal distribution is where we have framed the syllabus accordingly. So normal distribution is part of that continuous distribution only here. Next, binomial distribution is what is property actually. This here parameter. Binomial distribution is here parameters are n and p, and mean is np, variance is npq. The special property is mean is greater than variance, and mode is here unimodal or bimodal, or symmetrical is when if it is symmetrical, p equal to q. Additive properties that you have to prepare for this binomial distributions are also. Next one is coming that Poisson distribution. The parameter is mean and variance here. Lambda is parameter, and mean and variance are equal, and which is unimodal or bimodal, and additive properties which are also be given actually. Now normal distribution is concerned, mean equal to median equal to mode is called, this curve is bell shaped, and quartile deviation equal to 4/5 of the sigma standard deviation, mean deviation equal to 2/3 of standard deviation, and please look at the additive properties are also be. Next, sampling also be, that is part of there, and population and same sample differences, and what is parameter, what is statistics, simple random sampling, stratified random sampling, systematic sampling, and judgment sampling. All these things were given in the second unit of the study material, like statistics only. This. And coming to this, next one is regression equations. Correlation regression, what kind of correlation, and a scatter diagram, what is correlation between two variables, and what is the range of correlation, -1 to +1. Okay. This is also very important. And Pearson correlation coefficient, Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, methods of concurrent deviation. These are the 4 types of measuring of correlation coefficients. Yes, Rajanandini, tell me please. Yes. Vidhi Agarwal, again you have raised anything, please, you wish to say. Already Rajanandini, I will come back again.
Sir, can you explain one numerical question of theoretical distribution?
Vidhi, you want to any theoretical question, distribution question?
Yes, sir. Numerical practical question.
What kind of question, please, related to?
Like a steady material section C, या set B.
इतना टाइम नहीं होगा ना बेटा इसमें एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए, बट आई विल सी पॉसिबल वॉट एवर इट विल. Okay, I will see whatever possible. Next, Rajanandini, what you want to say? Something, please.
No, sir, I wasn't saying anything.
Huh?
I wasn't saying anything.
Okay, good. Yeah, 7.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Rajanandini, tell me. Yes. You have to, you will mark both the things. You know the rules of the MCQs also?
Yes.
Is it they will accept the consistent?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Mm-hmm.
How it will be?
But do we get marks for the rough work and all for the MCQ paper?
Yes, rough work. Recently, I had seen in the question paper also. The first left side of the paper, question paper is concerned, or like in the last few papers, I had seen the 6 pages are given in the recently also related to the Paper-3. I had seen. So sufficient. Yes. That is sufficient. You can answer and mark it. Use the rough work also before that.
So do we get marks for that rough work?
Is it like anybody told?
No, I'm just out of curiosity asking that. Like,
who will be seeing that rough work? They are correcting your OMR sheet only, for not this.
Okay.
Huh? Okay. Please apply some good thoughts on that. And Vidhi, hello.
Yes, sir.
You were asking something special questions, and I will see whatever possible, because it's a.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me, Fatima Johara. Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt in business maths. Chapter 8, basic calculus.
Basic calculus, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you once give a short summary about it? How to solve the questions? Idea for that.
Very nice, Fatima. And I have to today just wind up the session by completing these 2 tasks are very important for me actually. I will
Yes.
come to one is related to Vidhi and another one is Fatima. Just I will look at how best I will be supporting people. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just coming to that. Yes, calculus. Here only just this page is only. Fatima, actually, are you mathematics background or not? Tell me.
No, sir, commerce.
Commerce background, actually.
Sir, you in the starting session you told that the questions mostly come from the limits and continuity.
No. I'm not say that. The limits and continuity. Limits and continuity is the basic for the basic general. It is the logic for the foundation for the applying of the differentiation. That is the that is the main logic while preparing the differentiation. Without limits, it cannot be differentiation cannot be formed actually. The formulas and other things were not developed actually. Okay.
Sir. Yes, sir.
So the question is like different limits and continuities are just foundation for that actually. Okay, understand my point actually. Hello, Fatima.
Yes, sir.
That is the basic foundation for understanding the differentiation actually.
Okay, sir.
Okay, here the algebraic equations are also be given. Suppose y equal to x square given actually.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to differentiate with respect to x here, this is the exponent. This would be coming as n. You know very well dy by dx of x power n is x power n is d by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. So here 2 into x power 2 minus 1. This is 2x. Okay,
sir.
like
Yes,
that.
sir.
Suppose d by dx of constant. Suppose constant means 5 number is given. Okay, then which is equal to
0.
0. Very good. Like that, actually, if you look at these formulas, like additive formulas, multiplicative formulas, quotient formulas are related to give all given in the differential calculus are also. Then simple algebraic exponential logarithmic functions, just remember those kind of functions. Just apply it. Understand, Fatima? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please look at on those aspects and that will help. Now I'm coming to the Vidhi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before that, I can ask the binomial distribution. Yes. Binomial distribution related question on lecture, please. What is the mean of the binomial distribution?
Mean is NP.
Okay. Variance?
NPQ.
Standard deviation? Standard deviation of binomial distribution?
NPQ square.
Root.
Square root of NPQ.
Root of NPQ.
Square root of. Then no problem on this aspect. And what is the proper? Actually, suppose and P plus Q equal to from these tiles equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
P plus Q equal to. Suppose P is 2 by 3. P is 2 by 3. Q equal to 1 minus 2 by 3.
2 by 3. 1 by 3.
1 by 3. Like that, actually, suppose n equal to 2, like that, you can find out the NPQ value, P value. If P value is missing, Q value missing, then where binomial distribution NP value, the mean and variance, you have to find. Like that, simple questions are all using the binomial distributions are also coming actually. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then Poisson distributions are concerned, that you know the distribution formula. What is the probability density function of binomial distribution? NCX, NCX
Yes, sir. P of x, p की power x cube,
for
की
n
power
minus
x
n.
minus x.
Okay, trials 0 to 1 to start hoga actually.
N.
Okay, and next one is what is the formula for the Poisson distribution? This is e power minus lambda, lambda power x by factorial x, x0, etc. 1 to n. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this is called, lambda is called the mean and variance. Both are equal in the special property of the Poisson distribution is mean and variance both are equal.
Okay, sir.
Then on coming to this normal distribution, what is the property? And that is 1 by sigma root 2 pi e power minus sigma 1 by 2 sigma square into x minus mu whole square. That is x minus mu means something except here population mean is given like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now I'm next. Anybody wish to ask anybody questions? Please tell me.
Theory questions.
Yes, Sahil, tell me beta.
So theory questions.
क्या theory questions? ना मैं इसमें आपको पहले क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं, जस्ट आदत करो जस्ट.
So,
हाँ ठीक ठीक, tell me.
so मैंने एक एमटीपी में देखा था, एक क्वेश्चन था हमारे थेरोटिकल स्टैटिस्टिक्स के रिलेटेड था. उसमें बेल शेप्ड कर्व और जे शेप्ड कर्व था ना, उसके बारे में था. द नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स ड्यूरिंग द कोविड पेंडेमिक इज शोन बाय ऑप्शंस थे जे शेप्ड कर्व, यू शेप्ड कर्व, बेल शेप्ड कर्व एंड नन ऑफ दिस. मैं समझ में नहीं आया क्वेश्चन कौन सा सही था.
Actually, this is an unsystematic condition. Rarest bell shaped कर्व कैसे होते हैं? Symmetric condition. नॉर्मल सिचुएशंस में हो जाता है एक्चुअली.
यस सर.
ये कैसे हो रहा है एक्चुअली? इट इज abnormal cases actually. Okay, abnormal cases में abnormal situation actually. It is a pandemic situation, means we can't predict है ना this year all. Hello.
Yes sir.
In that case कैसे होते actually? These cases are also not continuous or also be that.
Yes.
So आपने क्या बताया options?
J shaped, bell shaped and symmetric.
Bell shaped भी नहीं होगा, नहीं symmetric भी नहीं होगा, नहीं.
और U shaped.
U shaped.
And none of these.
None of this नहीं होगा. Okay.
Yes sir.
Next, Rishikesh, please tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to know how. Am I audible, sir?
Huh?
Am I audible?
Yes, Rishikesh, please tell me.
Yeah, sir, I'm asking how can we know where we have to use permutation and where can we know where we have to use combination?
Okay. Okay, just I'm coming to that only, my dear friend. Suppose when we want to arrange, suppose the like committees related to some, suppose when we want to choose the like suppose one vice president, one president, or like something like other members are also there. In such cases, actually, we use the combinations only. Okay. Suppose the permutations are used for that. We understand that when particular books are arranged like with in the books arrangement also be that combinations will only be arranged actually. Permutations are concerned actually just like a specific cases. Actually, it's a kind of a when repetitions are allowed, or like suppose A, B, B, A, both things are be taken actually. In that cases actually, when our things are taken together actually like that, even like such cases we use these permutations are also be this. You understand the difference or not? If you are not able to understand, please go through this difference which is given in the material also be, then you can solve. As far as examination is concerned, the clearly the when you categorize the questions, what is the permutation and the combination, such a permutation related to simple basic problem. A group of person want to themselves on a photograph or something. Suppose ABC combinations are like photograph may suppose 3 persons they want to combination ABC like that. A want A B C B C A C A B like that. Again, some combinations. Such cases actually in the example also study material given. That is related to permutation you can use. And suppose only like a specific in the books category, suppose physics books are one category, chemistry physics, or like mathematics books are one category. Such cases actually we use the combinations. Or also are like some elections category, elections conducting like a president one post, vice president one post, rest of the things. Such cases combinations are used. Rishikesh, you would like to say anything?
Thank you, sir. I understand now.
Okay, good day. Yeah. Dear students, and if anybody wants to ask any question, please raise there. Yes. Prerna,
Yes, sir.
you want to say something?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'm coming to the section by winding up of all the another 2-3 minutes. Please look at actually these chapters actually categorize like maths, business mathematics 40, logical reasoning 20, and statistics 40 marks actually. And only certain papers combinations in the mathematics you may feel the confusion like Mr. Somebody has asked about the what is where permutation can be applied, where combinations can be applied. If you look at the study method carefully also with examples, you will be easily understand these differences are also be. And logical reasoning is also very easy and it is a very scoring, and 20 marks you can easily obtain that on topics. Statistics theory questions are concerned. Somebody was asked about Sahil. Yes, theory questions are also what kind of questions are also be theory questions are there actually. Just I'm coming to that aspects only. How best I can able to this. Yes. Just Mr. Shahil. Which
Yes, sir.
index number formula satisfies both time reversal test and factor reversal test? Question is Fisher's ideal index number, Laspeyres index number, Cauchy's index number, Marshall-Edgeworth.
Please repeat the question.
Which index number formula satisfies both the time reversal and factor reversal test?
Fisher's
Fisher.
index number.
Very good. Fisher's index number. Like that, you have to the average of base year and current year used in the index number.
Morgan's.
No, Marshall-Edgeworth.
Morgan's.
In the Marshall-Edgeworth index number, both the base year and current year quantity as weights are used. Yes, some of them are serious and we should be answer them only. Okay. Mr. Shahil,
Yes, sir.
these kind of questions just models were just in the statistics portion only. Majorly the theoretical aspects questions are also within. My advice to all, yes, please just give me 2 minutes. Just I will come wind up this session only. Just
So just in statistical distribution, description of data and the sampling. सर which मतलब इसमें सर कितने नंबर तक के थ्योरी क्वेश्चंस आ
मैं just आपको बता रहा हूँ, आप बाद में बात कर लीजिए, मैंने सुन लिया आपका बात, ठीक है. Dear students, actually in the majorly statistics portion only to test the basic understanding of the statistical related concepts, basic concepts. They are asking the theoretical questions only. These theoretical questions are also related to the basic concepts of the subject only actually. So without that, it has the idea of the subject has not been developed actually. Suppose mean properties, what are the mean properties actually? Some of the deviations from the respective mean equal to Sahil equal to 0. There is a one answer, one simple question actually, just I am saying. Okay, some of the deviations from the respective square of the deviations from respective is minimum. That is also one kind of question actually. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So just various type of what kind of questions models are coming. Just I'm throwing on that one. The correlation value lies between -1 and +1, including 0 also. This question recently asked also in the examination also. Such kind of question. R value square. R square is lies between 0 and 1. Coefficient of determination R square. Coefficient of non-determination 1 minus R square. If two regression lines are parallel, R equal to -1, R plus R minus 1. If R equal to 0, they are perpendicular each other. Like that, you understand this kind of definition, formless differences?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So these are the actually, if you thoroughly prepare the first chapter is concerned actually, what is the using the histograms we can find which one, which what kind of, huh?
Mode.
Very good, Chancha. Very good, very good. And using the ogives, what
Median.
Median.
Median, very good. And next one is like that actually we have to concentrate on the questions and please set here each topic, each chapter, the statistics basics are also given. Just try to answer all the concepts before going to examination. That will definitely helpful to you also. Shahil?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Please do it on all this, and I request all the students are also, and that will definitely helpful in the examination. So, if anybody wish to say, and otherwise I will conclude this today's section. Yes. Thank you all the students for watching this today's session. Wish you all the best for the examination. If you have any query, please send to my mail ID nvravi@ica.in. Wish you all the best for the examination.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, who is? Ashok. Yes.